In this video, I will show you how to get rid of promotions in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is sign into your Gmail account. Now, promotions in Gmail are considered categories. As you can see the inbox here, it has the primary inbox, it has the promotions, and it has the social. It's usually emails with some kind of promo that fall under promotions. Now, to get rid of this category, what you can do is you can go to settings, go to CO settings, come to inbox. Under categories, you're going to take off promotions and you're going to scroll down and save changes. But the inbox type needs to be on default for you to see the categories, and you take off promotions. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on save changes. And that's how you get rid of promotions in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.